Good morning, Lea Louise here. Oh goodness, it's been a time. We didn't get online yesterday. Sorry, I can't even think straight. We were celebrating our granddaughter's 11th birthday, and they had just gotten their power on the night before, so it was an exciting day that we could cook pizzas because there's nothing open where we can get that kind of stuff. Luckily, Publix had a cake, and we were able to do what we need to do and have a fantastic birthday party for our dear sweet little girl, and it was a blast. In the meantime, while we were at a birthday party, a generator was delivered to our house from the church. New Life Church Augusta. New Life every day. They are the most fabulous people, and they have taken such good care of us. We have a generator, so we can get so much going in the house, and we do right now. We also stopped and picked up an air conditioner in order to hook it up in the one room that we can live in. And oh my goodness, God has blessed us so immensely. The even better news today, the generator's huge, absolutely. Today, the restoration team came. Their lead guy came in and assessed the tree damage, so they're going to be sending the crane and the tree removal people in tomorrow. And then as soon as they finish, the roofer tarping guys will be here. So we'll have a bit of an enveloped house again, and we can sweep out the leaves and the acorns and all that silly stuff that we're dealing with, and we can get the refrigerator hooked up. Oh my gosh, we have a small freezer in back. We opened it and oh, it smelled so bad. We have to get braced. I think we need to put a respirator on to empty it out. But hey, we're doing well. We went into the grocery this morning for a couple minutes just to pick up some breakfast, because right now we're down with no refrigeration, obviously, and we eat day by day, and restaurants are still hard to find. But by gosh, when those babies open, I don't know if it's going to be a steak first or a lobster, maybe both. We'll have steak for lunch and lobster for dinner, but I am so tired of not having good food. Oh my goodness. But you know what? We are safe and we are healthy, and God has protected us, and so many of you have prayed for us. Thank you. I don't know when I'm going to be able to get back in touch, and so this is also a thank you to all of you who have sent the most wonderful, kind, and caring messages to us. You don't know how much we appreciate that. I haven't been able to respond. Our phone usage is limited, but I've read just about everything, and you all are just amazing. And blessings back to each and every one of you for assisting and helping out. We're probably going to need a limited housing unit here, and we're thinking we may try and find like a used trailer, because the pop-up isn't going to work past the next few weeks as it gets colder here. Not that it's going to get that cold, but we just need some more amenities, and we're thinking we might look for used trailers in the area. Your prayers coming. If all goes well and the electric and the roof and everything gets put together, at least so we can use stuff, I will try and maybe do an actual video on YouTube. I may not be quilting, but you know what? I had some fabric come in the mail while we've been down, and I haven't opened it. I'm saving it for you all, so we'll do that together. I love you all. Thank you so much for being here. It is always such a pleasure to know that you're out there hearing me on the other end. We've been so isolated. Thank you. We love you. And thank you to our church family, New Life Church in Augusta, Georgia. Thank you to Paul Davis Restoration, who is taking care of us. Thank you for Carolyn at Liberty Mutual, who's in touch with us daily. We were in touch with her at 6:30 in the morning after the hurricane passed at about 4. This woman is a godsend to us. Thank you all. Thank you so much. We love and pray for each of you.